Good morning students, this is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, NEL2. In this video, we are going to discuss definition of exponents, power, base and difference between the power and exponent, expanded form, exponential form and loss of exponents, some examples related to chapter 4, exponents and powers. What is exponent? Exponent is often used interchangeably with power but in a different context. While power represents the whole expression, exponent is the superscript placed above to the right of the base number. It is a positive or negative number which represents the power to which the base number is raised to, meaning it states the number of times a number is to used in a multiplication. The definition of exponent in another way, we know how to calculate the expression 5 into 5. This expression can be written in a shorter way using something called exponents, that is 5 into 5 is equal 5 square. Next, definition of power, an expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor is called a power. The number 5 is called the base. Here the base should be called factor and the number 2 is called exponent. An exponent or power is a mathematical representation that indicates the number times that a number is multiplied by itself. An exponent is a number which tells us how many times to multiply a factor. That means either numerical or variable factor times itself. This factor is called the base. The number 5 is called the base and the number 2 is called the exponent. The exponent corresponds to the number of times the base is used as a factor. And 5 square is called power. In 2 square, 2 is called exponent and 2 is called base and 2 square is called power. Some more examples. 5 power 4 called power and 4 is called exponent and 5 is called base. 8 cube is called power, 3 is called exponent, 8 is called base. X power 7 we can call power and exponent is called 7 and base is a x. Y power 5 is a power and 5 is called exponent and y is called base. A power n is called power, n is called exponent and a is called base. Next topic, difference between power and exponent. The first point in power, it refers to the whole expression representing repeated multiplication of the same number. Exponent, it corresponds to the number of times the base number is used as a factor, as in multiplied by itself. Second point in power, it is used to represent two things, base and the exponent. Power is often used interchangeably with exponent. Second point in exponent, it represents quantity describing the power to which a number is used in multiplication. Exponents are also called as powers and indices. Third point in power, in 8 cube is equal to 8 into 8 into 8, 8 is the base which is to be multiplied thrice by itself and it could be called 8 to the power 3 or 8 to the third power. Here power is the expression. Third point in exponent. In 8 cube is equal to 8 into 8 into 8. That is called 3 is called exponent which stands for the number of times the value is to be multiplied with 8 being the base. Topic, properties of exponents. The first property, exponential form. If a number is multiplied by itself n times, then it can be written as x into x into x into and so on so into x, and it is written as x power n, which is called the exponential form. Here n means factors of x and x is called base and n is called exponent or index or power of x power n can be read as nth power of x. Example 5 cube we can write 5 into 5 into 5. Here 5 into 5 into 5 are called expanded form or product form and 5 cube is called exponential form or index form where the base is 5 and index is 3. Second law, multiplying powers with the same base. That means when the powers with the same base are multiple together, the power of the product is equal to the sum of the powers. That is, whenever you multiply two terms with the same base, you can add the exponents. That is, x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. Here m and n are powers, so we should add. Example 2 power 6 into 2 cube, that is called 2 power, add the exponents, that is 6 plus 3, that is called 2 power 9. The value of 2 power 9 is 512. That means 2 is multiple by itself 9 times, we get 512. Next law, dividing powers with the same base. And also we can call quotient rule. When numbers with the same base are divided, then the power of quotient is equal to the difference between the powers of the dividend and the divisor. That means x power m by x power n is called x power m divided by x power n. That is called x power m minus n. For example, 2 power 6 by 2 square, that is called 2 power 6 minus 2. That is called 2 power, subtract powers, 6 minus 2 is called 4, that is called 16. That means 2 is multiple by itself 4 times, we get 16. Next, power of a power. Here observe the x contain 2 powers, that is m and n. In this time we can multiple the powers, that is x power m into n. Example 5 cube whole square, that is called 5 power 3 into 2, that is called 5 power 3 2s are 6. Next law, multiplying bases with the same exponents. The power of a product of two or more factors is equal to the product of the same powers of each of the separate factors. That is, x by whole power n is equal to x power n into y power n. For example, ab whole square is equal to a square into b square. Next, quotient law of exponents. An integral power of a number expressed as a fraction is equal to the power of the numerator divided by the power of denominator. That is, x by y whole power n is equal to x power n by y power n. Example 2 by 3 whole power 4 is equal to 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. That is called 2 power 4 means 16 by 3 power 4 means 81. Next law. If the base is powered by the negative exponent, then the base becomes reciprocal with the positive exponent. That means base with the negative exponent is the denominator, it moves to the numerator to lose its negative sign. That means x power minus m is equal to 1 by x power m. So you have to observe here minus m, it changed to plus m. For example, 5 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 5 power plus 3. That is called 1 by 125. 5 is multiple by itself 3 times, we get 125. One more example, 1 by 3 power minus 2, that is equal 3 square. 3 square is equal 9. 3 is multiple by itself 2 times, we get 9. Next law, zero law of exponent. Any base powered by 0, exponent is equal to 1. That is, x power 0 is equal to 1. For example, 5 power 0 is equal to 1 and a power 0 is equal to 1 and 5a whole power 0 also 1. Next we are going to discuss some examples. Example 3. Express each of the following with the positive exponents. First question, 4 power minus 7. Solution. We know a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power plus m. That implies 1 by 4 power 7. Question number 2. 1 by 5 power minus 4. We know 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power m. So 1 by 5 power minus 4 is equal to 5 power 4. Question number 3. 4 by 7 whole power minus 3. Solution for third question. That is equal 4 power minus 3 by 7 power minus 3. b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. That is equal 4 power minus 3 by 7 power minus 3, we can write 7 cube by 4 cube. According to a power minus m is equal 1 by a power m and a power m is equal 1 by a power minus m. That implies 7 by 4 whole cube. Question number 4. 7 power minus 4 by 7 power minus 6. That is equal 7 power minus 4 minus of minus 6. Since a power m by a power n is equal a power m minus n. That implies 7 power minus 4 minus into minus 6 plus 6. That is equal 7 power minus 4 plus 6 is equal 2. Express 27 power minus 4 as a power with base 3. Solution. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. That is called 3 cube. Therefore, 7 power minus 4 is equal to 3 cube. Since 27 means 3 cube and whole power minus 4. That is equal 3 power 3 into minus 4 minus 12. Since a power m whole power n is equal a power mn. Simplify 1 by 3 whole power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 divided by 1 by 5 whole power minus 2. Solution. 1 by 3 whole power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 divided by 1 by 5 whole power minus 2. We know a by b whole power m is equal a power m by b power m. So 1 by 3 whole power minus 3, we can write 1 power minus 3 by 3 power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3, we can write 1 power minus 3 by 2 power minus 3 divided by 1 by 5 whole power minus 1 power minus 2 by 5 power minus 2. Since a by b whole power m is equal a power m by b power m. Next step, 1 power minus 3 by 3 power minus 3, we can write 3 cube by 1 cube. According to a power minus m is equal 1 by a power m and a power m is equal 1 by a power minus m. Minus 1 power minus 3 by 2 power minus 3, we can write 2 cube by 1 cube divided by 1 power minus 2 by 5 power minus 2 can be write 5 square by 1 square. That is equal 3 cube means 27 by 1 cube means 1 minus 2 cube means 8 by 1 cube means 1 divided by 5 square means 25 by 1 square means 1. Here 25 is divisible by 1, we get 25. Next step, 27 by 1 means 27 minus 8 by 1 means 8 divided by 25. That is equal 27 minus 8 is equal to 90 by 25. Next question, if x is equal 3 by 2 whole square into 2 by 3 whole power minus 4, then find the value of x power minus 2. Solution. X is equal 3 by 2 whole square into 2 by 3 whole power minus 4. That is equal 3 by 2 whole square into 2 power minus 4 by 3 power minus 4. Since a by b whole power m is equal a power m by b power m. That is equal 3 square by 2 square into 3 power 4 by 2 power 4. According to a power minus m is equal 1 by a power m and a power m is equal 1 by a power minus m. That is equal, here observe the bases, so add the exponents. That is 3 power 2 plus 4 by 2 power 2 plus 4. That is equal 3 power 2 plus 4 means 6 by 2 power 2 plus 4 means 6. We can write 3 by 2 whole power 6. Therefore, x is equal 3 by 2 whole power 6. Then x power minus 2. Now substitute x place 3 by 2 whole power 6 and whole power minus 2. That is equal 3 by 2 and whole power 6 into minus 2 means minus 12. That is equal 3 power minus 12 by 2 power minus 12. According to a by b whole power m is equal a power m by b power m. That is equal 2 power 12 by 3 power 12. According to a power minus m is equal 1 by a power plus m. That is equal 2 by 3 whole power 12. Dear children, today home assignment is practice 2 times laws of exponents and 1 time practice examples in homework book. Thank you.